It was so this week was hard. I mean, not lie, but this week was literally like my nightmare because I didn't wake up. I could have passed my account, and now I'm in a huge drawdown. A drawdown, to be honest. It's all purely because I didn't wake up on time. I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit that I'm supposed to do. I tried to sleep early, but even though still I couldn't wake up. I don't know why. Um, I tried my best this week, but still no results. I mean, like, no, I won't say that's no results, but what I could have done is much way better. Like, I could have done way better. I was up $2,000 start of this week, and now I'm down 1,800, I guess, 1,800, 1,600, probably somewhere around like that. So what I have here is I can do one thing. I'm down $2,000 for sure. I'm down $2,000. I'm down 1,800. Yeah, probably I have another $800 profit. I mean, like $800 buffer. So which I'm gonna risk it all. I mean, like I'm not gonna fucking mm, mess around. Like I'm not gonna take $250 risk again because it's much lower and here's what I can do. Like I can just keep my risk higher and just win a good A plus or it's risk. I mean, I cannot pass that. I mean, I will be like blowing that account and getting a new one. Probably Tuesday. Monday, I'll definitely blow this account for sure. Anyways, let's get back here, like what I did miss. So I'm gonna call this episode "What Did I Miss?" because every week I'm gonna post this "What Did I Miss?" week. So let's take this. All right, cool. So I was sleeping all this time. I don't know when did I woke up this week, Monday. Let me go ahead and say Monday was 21 8. Woke up 9:46 and West me like I woke up 9:46. Move has already been done. Oh, I feel super dumb. So what I did, so I would have did this biggest market sweeps, London low sweep in the advertise. It's about the market open. So once this happened, right? Like once after this, right? We are bullish. We are bullish here. So what I could have done, I could have entered. I mean, I would have entered somewhere between this candle, probably um maybe around here. Get my stop loss below. Probably this would be my target. No, let's keep it like all time high, right? All time high would have been my target. Candles up there. All time high would have been my target. And after that, just trailing, trailing, trailing. Would have been trailing. That's it. So what I would have done, get my stop loss up here at this point, and stop loss here. So stop loss here. As I be looking at it, I'd be keep on moving. By the time I would have passed this, so every low is the target. Every candle low is the target. Stop loss. So now I'm at a give tagged in. Stopped out. What's the risk reward? 1 is to 4. I would have kept $250 risk on this trade. For sure, I would have been kept $250 on this trade because I was starting the week and I need $1,000 to win. I mean, $1,000 to pass this account. I would have passed this account right up here. So 1:4, that's like $1,000. I mean, I would have passed it. I would have passed it for sure. But that's what I did. It's I fucked up. I fucked up my whole position right up here. So I didn't wake up. I woke up around somewhere around this candle. So look, somewhere around this candle. I saw the price was already, I mean, the price had already expanded. This is what I could have done, but what I did was horrible. 21 break even day. Yeah, I took first sell trades. Next, that stopped out. Oh, yeah. 20% I was over trading for sure. I must have been over trading. So that's the trade that I would have taken. And yeah, I could have taken that, but I still didn't do it. Um, I don't know. I didn't do it. Let me go ahead and look at the confirmation that I had on my buy trades. Buying trades is almost, yeah, probably at this. Let me go to 1 minute time frame so I can look just. So as the price came into this fair value gap right up here, sweep some of the liquidities. What I did after this inverse, I took my entry up here. Keep my stop loss below this. Let it rip until the opening candle of that. Yeah, there it is. That was a trade. I think probably my risk was much more because yeah, that was my risk one to three and it was a good trade. I made back all the losses that I took in that day, like over trading, basically still over trading, but and what I could have done to that. That's a market structure shift. We are getting another shift of structure. Now, once price come back into this imbalance, we can just look for an entry. Yeah, there it is. Inverse, entry, inverse, forming a fair value gap, which gives an entry, and we are in the session. So we are good. And price drop. The recent liquidity. Yeah, there it is. We could have target this, but this would be the safest zone. So, anyways, basically Monday was fucked up. I could have, if I would have woke up on time, I would have passed this account. I cooked this. I cooked this. Hits every time. So to you, so what did I do? There was a range bound day, but I still took a trade and I could have actually made a lot of profit, but I think Tuesday is a losing day to play. Tuesday was a winning day, yeah. Tuesday maintained discipline, to be honest. So what I was looking, I want the market open to sweep either of these highs. If I get a sweep, and after that, if I get an imbalance, and that's been invalidated and Also, let me go to 15 minutes. I think I got a favorite gap up there. Yeah, probably this one, the bigger one, two. I think that's the one. And this is a liquidity sweep. So let me go to 1 minute again. I came back to the same balance. Invoicing a fair gap. What else do I need? I entered right in the middle of this and get my stop loss above and closed it way earlier, way fucking earlier. Yeah, these two candles are mine. Move. That's it. One is a three, I'm out. Oh shit. I had my stop loss here. Take profit right about one is a two. What I could have done. What I could have done. And what I did instead, like I closed the trade and I saw these things as liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep. So yeah, this is where I closed the trade. The bottom goes double bottom on this here. So close it right around somewhere there. And after that, I was looking for an inverse, which was not. So I was bullish, right? Like I thought it would go bullish. And I saw this tiny as in I mean like inverse on a 1 minute time frame. Um, oh shit, I didn't actually look into anything like that. After this trade, I'm done. No, that was only one trade on. That was one trade for the day. And I could have done much better, but price kept on dropping. And I just had to look into it. What I could have done is way, 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 way better. Uh, it's so painful, bro. And I didn't trade after that. I probably took a break even trade. Maybe I don't know after that. Not really gonna say about the break even trade. So yeah, here is how what I did Wednesday and what did I miss. Okay, I broke my discipline and I fucked up on Wednesday. I took around like seven trades, I guess. So my P&L was $688. So $796. Um, I think I woke up late, I think that's the problem with me, I guess. Oh, I didn't even actually write anything. Okay. I started risking more on that trades, um, which I shouldn't have, but still I did. It is what it is. And what I could have done was way more better, to be honest. Yeah, I even went to gym and stuff. And it's actually like kind of messed up, though. Uh, price sweeps, London low, Asian low. So could have actually entered right around somewhere here, but I was a little bit late on that. So I think I caught this move, to be honest. Yeah, caught the first move. Yeah, this is where I did the mistake actually. I caught this move as it goes to imbalance. Then like it's a sweep. And I also have a 15-minute fair value gap, I guess, somewhere. Yeah, 15 minutes fair value gap. This is a liquidity sweep up here. So we are on the good side, to be honest. So I'm all good. So liquidity sweep imbalance right around somewhere here. Took a trade up there as I saw the inverse. So I could have just closed that day on $200 or I mean probably $300. I was up $2,300 and I had to lose all of them in like the trades after that. So I was looking for after this liquidity sweep. I was just looking for this inverse, caught in a trade up here. So right around somewhere here. My stop loss below this fair value gap, targeting this high, maybe out of targeting London high. So London high was basically London high is basically the target, to be honest. But I thought the price is going to reverse. So after this loss, right, I already know myself I'm gonna lose a little bit more. And I'm gonna overtrade for sure. And I got stopped out in like a minute or something. Maybe yeah. I got stopped out right around here, I guess. I had a lot on that. I had my risk a lot. I mean, like I risked a lot on that trade. So I just lost all the profits that I made. And after that again a buy position right up here. After the liquidity sweep speed, buy position right. So yeah, basically as I come into the day, this was my target and I closed way early. I mean like entered another position where I shouldn't be because this was my target for the start of the day. So I basically messed up over there too. And there is an all this is not a liquidity sweep. So after that, it gave an inverse where value gap still could have entered. I didn't wait for the candle to close, and I got reversed again. I got messed up, and I got stopped out right around somewhere here. Stopped out. That was another trade that I take. Another trade that I took. So yeah, one more thing, and I started to sell again. I still at this fair value gap. I went on a sharp position right up this fair value gap. Got stopped out somewhere around here. Had my stop loss at break. And probably, yeah, I got stopped out. Anyways, I was done for the day. And what I didn't miss, really, what I did miss, it's here. So that's a market structure shift. Even if it's not a market structure shift, for many people like just it's a strange state of delivery. Instead delivery. So after that, we have a fair value gap. So once we can do two things. That's a major liquidity sweep. So that's an inverse could have entered right here. Right here, that would be a big early entry. Keep your stops below the slope, maybe. So let it run. Let it rip to the next high. Let's keep a market open high. Okay. Still didn't get stopped up. Yeah. Maybe that would be a risky trade. So let's keep it at the low, right? Maybe I would have done that if I was in the live market. I don't know. Now I say that, but Yeah, maybe we don't know where I would have hit my stop loss, but definitely somewhere below this low, or like I don't know exactly. Maybe I could have entered at the zone, like probably at the fair value gap, 50% of the fair value gap, keep my stops below this low, and this is a market make and buy model. So what is like that's an inverse again, like Wednesday was manipulative, super manipulative Wednesday. And we could have just let it go all the way up. Yeah, that's a take profit. We didn't have to wait until lunch. Huh. We didn't even have to wait at lunch. So I even was buying somewhere, but I was a little bit early. So yeah, broke my rules and I over traded. Like I took a lot of trades over there. But anyways, it's all good. I mean, like I thought I could come back stronger and like, tomorrow I can just do something better. But yeah. So Thursday woke up late again. Thursday woke up late again. Um, so I mean, like, the sleep shit is my enemy. Sleep because market opens are really volatile and I can easily get into a position right after the market open. But what I do was I messed up first. I sleep, wake up late, construct an entry, lose a lot, and that keeps piling up. I don't know when to start, right? That's a problem with me. And that is the problem from the start. So yeah, that is the problem, right? Like these are the things that I miss, right? Like if I wake up on time, that was the one trade easy target. That was my target. I didn't target that. I could lose way early and I re-entered on position. That's where I keep losing trades. So what I'm doing is one thing. I can easily predict the market. I was super disciplined until how did I break my rule? I broke my rule because I woke up late and I started constructing trades where I should not be even trading, but I see an entry, I take that, I take a loss, I try to get it back. And that's how the profits, I mean, that's how I lose my profits. That's how I overtrade, right? So, what I should do next week, I should wake up at 6 o'clock, go to gym, come back home, start trading. So, if you go to gym, like if you have to have your mental strength proper and you're gonna have to keep your physical strength properly. So, if you keep your physical properly, your mental automatically will get boosted up. So a lot of people say you need to have a mental strength in order to get a physical strength. But no, if you say that's like you're gonna sit in a room, right? You'll be sitting in a room, and if you go for a walk or like, if you do something else outside, like a physical work, like you do your laundry and shit, so your mood will automatically change. So a physical activity changes your mental activity, mental strength. Physical activity changes your mental activity. So whatever feel makes you feel like messed up or like you, you can actually see if you do gym, you can actually see when you go to gym, you automatically feel way more like active and your mood will be super good. To be honest, like your mood will be really good. Um, if you're gonna sit in the same place, if you're gonna get fat, if you're gonna eat a lot and shit, she ain't gonna work. So that's what happened for me this week. I could have passed my eval and I would have been trading live account, I mean like probably simulate funded account by Wednesday or like Tuesday. I should have been doing that because I didn't wake up on Tuesday. Tuesday I would have definitely I mean I didn't wake up on Monday. Monday I would have definitely gotten in a position where I would have actually like made profits on and I would have definitely 100% sure that I would have. gotten that movement, I would have made a lot of bucks for sure. For sure, Monday would have been my day. What I did, I didn't wake up. So that's Wednesday. So Thursday was also a winning day, but I won't consider it a winning day because I fucked up. Fucked up. Why did I fuck up? I think Thursday I woke up late too. Yeah, yeah. Thursday I woke up late, right? So yeah, let me got 1 minute. The 5 minutes. So London lows. See, see this? This is the London low. This is the London low, right? This is London low before New York open. So London low sweep. Yeah, right around here, my first entry. So if I were out of my first entry, this would have been my target. What I do, act more stupidly, I got on the fucking position and I still closed all my positions right up here. And I would also say I didn't take the straight, it was stand job. I was looking into it live and I took the straight because I was late. I don't want to lose. I want to make money because I want to make back the losses that I did on Tuesday, Wednesday. So, which was again a zero discipline. I even wrote it on my journal, and I'm not gonna lie about that. So, like, yeah, right up here. So that was not my trade. So it is actually messed up, right? Yeah, that was not my trade. So close it. She closed it right up here, and I mean, like, I would have actually took the straight. To be honest, I was late and I didn't want to take any decision on my own. So I took this straight up here. I would have taken it way more earlier. I would have taken it way more earlier. So yeah, somewhere around here I would have taken my trade and I still had my stop loss below this. My risk would have been risk reward would have been higher and definitely thought that this high. Everything was out of trade and I was like not convinced even after that. Like lose my trade right up here, like it was really low risk reward. And I messed up. And I got in a position right up here again and let it run to my actual take profit. I mean, I think I lost the trade. Yeah, I lost the trade. And yeah, okay, I didn't lose the trade actually. This was it. Oh, where's Wednesday, bro? Where's Wednesday, bro? Oh, actually Thursday, right? So yeah, Thursday. Like, yeah. There you can see the trade close up here, fighting my stop loss and closed it. So anyways, it basically went to my take profit. If I were to hold this trade right, I would have made back the loss that I made on Wednesday. But I still didn't do it to pay the price. So yeah, that's it. Friday be Friday. I don't even want to talk. That was a zero discipline winning day. Zero discipline winning day. So price ripped up. Woke up super fucking late on Friday. Let me just go ahead and look into that pile of mess that I did on Friday. Bro, straight up from bed. Straight up from bed. I mean, like, if I'm gonna trade like that, bro, I don't know, man. I don't know. Straight up from bed. So what I would have done, what did I miss? So we, motherfucker, look into this, look into this shit. What I did, what did I do? Fucking entry, bro, entry. That's a fucking entry, bro. Right up there, stop loss below this, take profit all the way to fucking high of Asia. Maybe I wouldn't have holded this trade up this long. I would have never did this. Maybe I would have got stopped out right where somewhere around here. I would have got stopped out right around here. Or maybe I would have just closed it. I don't know, but oh, I would have had all the opportunities to like pass this account this week. I had all the opportunities and I still fucking blew that shit away from my fucking hands. I just blew it because I was sleeping. Anyways, that was it. And if you're watching this, um, you are trading really good. You are really good at trading, bro. You are really good at trading. It's just a discipline that you need to fix. So do that and see the results. Adios.